Demi Moore is an American actress. Demi Moore was born Demetria Guynes on November 11, 1962 in Roswell, New Mexico. After years of varied success in films and television, Moore experienced a major career resurgence with her role in the 2024 body horror film The Substance. On January 5, 2025, she won her first major acting award, taking home the Golden Globe for Best Performance by a Female Actor in a Motion Picture, Musical or Comedy. In her emotional acceptance speech, she reflected on being told she was just a popcorn actress and her struggles with self-worth. In 2025, she appeared on Time's 100 Most Influential People in the World list and will receive a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame in 2026. She has also earned nominations for an Academy Award and a BAFTA for her performance in The Substance. Her biological father, Air Force Airman Charles Foster Harmon Sr., deserted her then 18-year-old mother, Virginia, after a 2-month marriage before Moore's birth. Charles came from Lynette, Alabama, and Virginia was born in Richmond, California, but had grown up in Roswell. Moore's maternal grandmother was raised on a farm in Arida, New Mexico. Moore's childhood was marked by significant hardship. Her parents split up before she was born and she was raised by her mother and stepfather, Virginia and Danny Guynes, both of whom drank heavily. The family moved more than 30 times before she turned 14. Her mother struggled with mental health issues and attempted suicide on multiple occasions, experiences that forced Moore to grow up quickly. At age 13, Moore discovered that Danny Guynes was not her biological father. Her actual father was Charles Foster Harmon Sr., an Air Force airman who had left her teenage mother before Moore's birth. By 1995, Moore had become the world's highest paid actress, earning $12.5 million per film. She pushed back against critics who questioned her salary, asking why women shouldn't be paid equally for the quality of their work. Beyond acting, she became a producer and took on bold, controversial roles that challenged Hollywood norms. In 1991, Moore posed nude while 7 months pregnant for Vanity Fair magazine, photographed by Annie Leibovitz. The controversial cover challenged conventional attitudes about pregnancy and female sexuality, later inspiring many other celebrities to celebrate their pregnant bodies. Moore has been married 3 times. After divorcing Freddie Moore in 1985, she married actor Bruce Willis in 1987 in a ceremony officiated by Little Richard. The couple had 3 daughters, Rumor, Scout and Tallulah, before divorcing in 2000. She was married to actor Ashton Kutcher from 2005 to 2013, a relationship that drew significant media attention due to their age difference. Her 2019 memoir, Inside Out, became an instant number on New York Times bestseller. In the book, she candidly discussed her traumatic childhood, substance abuse struggles, relationships and journey toward healing. Moore is also a co-founder of Thorn, a non-profit organization that builds technology to defend children from sexual abuse, exploitation and trafficking. Now 62, Moore continues to work and live in Los Angeles and Haley, Idaho, having established herself as both a Hollywood icon and a resilient survivor who has overcome tremendous adversity.